Okay, in this video we're going to explore how to create video scripts using AI. So we're on Jasper AI. This is my go-to AI writing tool. You write pretty much anything on here. You've got loads of templates. We're going to pick a template for us to write a video script, and yeah, it's going to be great. So let's just get straight into it. Here are the kind of ready-made templates for all different types of content, from long-form blog content to product descriptions, for Amazon, Facebook ads, Google ads, everything you can think of. So we're going to go to the video category here. So from topic ideas to script outlines, literally everything and anything you can think of, you can write with Jasper AI. It's powered by GPT-3, which involves neural networks. Just massively powerful AI writing tool. So we're going to click on the video script outline here. So we're going to outline the topic. So we're actually going to call it AI writing tools. We want the tone of voice to be witty. Now if I just move my face here. So we're now going to click generate AI content. Now I'm asking for 3 different outputs. I think that's fine. We don't want any more than that at this point. So literally just press generate AI content. It's going to do it based on the topic that we've given it, which is AI writing tools. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so this is really useful. So that reads nicely. You can either say it's good or poor, and the AI will learn based on that. So yeah, really just highlighting some key things that you can include in your video script. So now let's take this one step further. Let's, if we just essentially get rid of these, I'm now going to show you how you can use the video title or topic over here to refine the outputs and kind of get them more focused. So for instance, if we start with essentially writing out the video title for a how-to YouTube video. So how to use Jasper AI to create blog content. Okay, so we want the tone of voice to be formal. And we click generate AI content. Obviously, we've given Jasper more to work with here by just giving a more kind of refined video title topic suggestion. Okay, so this is interesting. You've got a nice breakdown here of essentially helping you to structure the script. So you would start with, you literally go through each of these 5 points and you would just elaborate on those. So in terms of really getting your video scripts going, this is the perfect tool to kickstart the creative process. If you're interested in getting started with Jasper, you can click on the link in the comments or in the description. 10,000 words free. It's a perfect opportunity for you to really try and unlock the value of this tool, whether you're writing long form content, whether you're trying to prepare video scripts for YouTube and other platforms, or if you're just trying to write some compelling Facebook ad copy or something like that. So, the possibilities with this tool are endless. It really does churn out really well-structured and well-crafted copy. And yeah, you should definitely check it out. 10,000 words free, link in the comments, link in the description. If you just go and Google Jasper AI and go and click on the link to the website on Google, you're not going to get access to these 10,000 words because I'm an affiliate and I can provide this offer. So yeah, definitely click on the link and yeah, see what you can do with this tool. Interested to know how you get on, and I look forward to hearing from you.